Okay, you are gonna create your own projects. And what do you need to start? And what are you gonna need? You are gonna need a project. I will tell you. But first, you need to know. You need project. You need under project and src file. You are gonna need a Java class file. Okay, I will show you. It's a folder. I will show you exactly. Show you. We are gonna do it together. But first, I will inform you. Okay, that's it. And what are we gonna do? We are gonna print hello world. Okay, that's it. For the first part, we are gonna do. We are gonna print out hello world. That's it. And what are the common mistakes? Common mistakes: wrong setup. Maybe that's why. Maybe package. What is package? You are gonna see it, but just keep in your mind the most common mistake is whether wrong setup, uppercase, lowercase issue, because Java is case sensitive. Okay. And the third one is most probably you forgot some symbols, like a curly braces, parentheses, okay? Maybe quotation mark, single quotation, double quotation, or comma, whatever it is, okay? The symbols, you have to type all of them. Okay, let's start with IntelliJ. And that is the window you're supposed to see right now. Okay, let's recall really quick. What do we need? We need a project. Under project, src file, which it is the abbreviation for the source. Under the source file, we need a package. You can think that for each project, you are gonna have package, and I will explain later. For the first classes, you have to repeat, okay? Then you will understand why, especially for the certain things, okay? Okay, and what are we gonna create under the source, package? We are gonna create Java class file, okay? Everything is clear. Okay, create new project. We are still starting new project, okay? This part about the project software developer kit, I'm running Java 12 right now, okay? Those are not our concerns right now. Just click next. And just for your information, on the left-hand side, there are lots of things. We don't care about them, okay? What is our focus right now? Core Java. We are gonna learn only Java, nothing else, okay? Next. And I don't wanna use template. Core Java, the basic Java. And you have to name it. And we are gonna name our very first project, okay? Bootcamp, I'm naming like that, Bootcamp Java, okay? You can name whatever you want. And just click finish. Okay. Yes. Okay. That window is about to tip. If you click that one, it's not gonna show up for the next launches, okay? If you click that part. I will click that one and I will click close because I don't wanna see that tips for the next openings, next launches, okay? Okay, we are clicking close. Okay, we click close. And on the left-hand side here, do you see the bold Bootcamp Java?
No, because you didn't name it.
Yes, I name it because you know why?
No,
Because it's, yeah, you need to click the project left-hand side. When you click that icon, it, you know, it expands, and when you click again, it collapses. It works like that. Can you see the src file right now? What was our requirements? Project. What was the second requirements? Under the project src, we need to create what? A package. A package. Okay? And I just clicked src file, right click. It is exactly the same for the Mac as well, okay? For the Mac, it is exactly the same. All right? And choose new. What did we do so far? Under the src file, we are creating what? Package. Okay? Package. New package. New package. Here. And I'm gonna explain in the future what are all those. Okay? You are gonna figure out step by step. Okay? We are gonna put all the tiles one by one, and at the end of the course, China wall. Okay, click package. Anybody? I cannot see anything. Okay, we click package. Everything, everybody is good. Yes, and you can name it. It's like a new package. Okay, and I will explain why I use only uppercase for the P. Also, you are gonna figure out. Okay, that is called name convention. We are gonna cover it for tomorrow or Wednesday. We are gonna see it which day. Okay, just click OK. And now what we have? The second step, it is completed, right? One more step left. One more step. Okay, what was the second step? Package. And under the package, we need what? A Java class file, okay? A Java class file. Because there are lots of file types, and you shouldn't get confused. Again, right click, again new, this time Java class, okay? This time Java class. Okay. And again, you are gonna name it. I repeat, we have 3 steps. First step, create a project. Second, create a package. The third one, create a Java class file, okay? First code. I will name like that. Click OK. Then yes, we are here. That's nice. Okay. And for that yellow one, if it annoys you, you can just basically click attach annotations, and it's not a big deal. Okay. You can just click it. If yes, I named as a first code. Yes. What is, wait 30 seconds. That's good. Yes. What is our focus? Do not forget. Yes, and we want to print out hello world. Once we did it, we are gonna proceed, okay? All right, so far everybody is okay? Yes, please repeat class 5. Okay, again, I will show you. Right click, new, and on the source. So sorry. Class, Java class, okay? Yes.
SRC means source.
SRC means source, right?
No, on the source we're gonna do the package. We did it underneath.
No. Here, yes. Okay? Yeah, of course. I'm going backwards and forward again.
So we are creating a new Java class under new package.
Yes, 3 steps: project, package, and class. For the first time, it is like that. And when we want to create the second one, it's going to be different. And you are gonna understand. You are gonna understand the file structure. Okay?
Our first file.
Yes, this is our first code.
Another file.
If we need it, if we need it, that depends on your design. That depends on your need. That depends on your requirements. Okay? It is repeated. Yes, it is repeated. Then we are good. Java class part is okay. And what do we need? What do we see?
Where do we see this package? Can we click on the next new package so you will see where we created?
Yes, package. For the package, I right-clicked src file and new. Here it is package.
Okay.
And for the package, when I named it, okay.
Yeah, it's there.
Yes.
It's like a family.
Yes. 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 It is hierarchical.
Hierarchical, yes.
Okay. So far, what do we see? And that's fine. You can create later. And it's missed the package file. So far, we are good. And what do we see? 2 lines, right? Java did something for us. Okay. You need to type exactly what I typed, and I will explain. Okay. Okay. Here it is. If you want to print hello world, you need to type exactly like that. System dot out dot print ln and open parenthesis double quotation string. You already know what is string, a text, and double quotation close parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, let me explain. The S have to be uppercase. Okay, what was the common mistakes? Wrong setup, uppercase lowercase issue, right? And forgetting what part? The symbols, right? The symbols. That has to be uppercase, that has to be lowercase, okay? That has to be lowercase. Oh my, there are lots of things. I wish somebody helped me. It is IntelliJ, okay? It's gonna help us. And if we do mistakes, for the certain mistakes, it's gonna figure out and it's gonna help us again. That's why we are using IDE, okay? It's like writing a book on the Word. If Word doesn't help you, you wouldn't choose that software, right? It's like that. Okay, and it has to be like that. You shouldn't forget those parts and that ones as well. Yes, it has strict rules, but when you get used to it, you're gonna like it. It's like living in a community with really strict rules, but everybody happy, right? Because everybody knows what to do and what not to do. But in the environment, in a society with the really loose rules, then it's good to live because you don't have to follow a lot of rules. But it's not easy, it's not easy to handle for the certain situations. Okay, is this good enough? And also I will save that one. I will share that one first. Under the first Java, I will share that one, okay? We are good, right? We understood. Then, okay, we are here again. What was the names? Public. Oh my. I forgot the other part. One more thing. I'm so sorry. And we need one more thing. Before the printing out, okay? Public static void main, okay, open parenthesis, string, okay, bracket, open and close, args, okay, and then curly braces. Now system. I am not gonna do like this for the next ones, okay? This is the very first one. That's why I'm doing like that. I am explaining everything. You don't have to memorize them, but eventually you will. Your fingers will memorize, okay? Okay, both of them you have to write, and we are gonna write both of them, okay? I'm explaining that part also. System out println open parenthesis hello, and also we are gonna write hello world, okay? Sure, no problem. And those part has to be exactly like that in order to run Java codes. That is called main class. If you don't have that part called main, your program will never run, because Java needs to start from where. You will understand those concepts, okay? Because sometimes you will have more than one classes. From where it's gonna start? Just think about yourself. You have 100 files. Which one first to be executed? That is comes by the design. Okay.
Comes first?
Yes, and just think about, we have more than one Java class file, and they are related each other. Okay. Once calls the others, and that is the design. I mean, okay. It's my screen. Okay, that's fine. It looks okay. I mean, I made a glimpse and it looks okay. Okay. Then I can share that one as well. First, code 2. Okay, save. Let's type right now, all together. Public static void main, okay, open parenthesis, uppercase S, string, okay, string, and brackets args, okay, and still we have red line, right? Still you have red lines because you wrote correctly. And what was the others? We need curly braces, right? Curly braces, right? So far, do you see any errors? No. What if I delete that one? Oh my, again, see, it can see the errors. It helps us, okay? What was the commands to print out? System out println, right? And it has to be like that. System dot, wow, it helps us. Yeah, it is. And when you see and selected the certain command you are looking for, if you click tab on your keyboard, then basically it selects, okay, still red wave. Can you see it? Because the command is incomplete. Okay, everybody is good. That, yeah, yay, it is here. Println. Okay, what are we gonna write? Double quotation, right? Hello world. Okay. Any errors? Any errors? No. It is ready to run. So far, it is ready to run. Okay. By the way, for your information, we have different type errors. Maybe there is nothing wrong about here. Okay. As a syntactically, I mean, as a syntax, there is no error. But maybe there's a logic error or others. So far, we don't have nothing. So you are going to figure out those parts as well. Okay. Okay, and there are lots of questions here. We just try to. Sami, it's the same. Hello or hello world. They are the same. No problem, Sami. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. As long as you can print something, okay? And again, right click. Remember, how can we run our program? Right click, run, or from the run menu, you can do it. I believe there is also a shortcut. Yes. Right click, run. Okay. Run first code dot blah blah. Boom. That one. Click it. And it's building. Do you see at the bottom? Yes, we did it. Our very first code, it run. Okay, here, see? Everybody's happy? Again, no. Again, right click, okay, run. Yes, run first code, okay?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Everybody is happy. Okay. And I would like to show you the errors. What was the most common mistakes? The setup, environment setup. It can be wrong. And just recall really quick. The first one, we need project. Under project, we need under project and SRC, we need what? A package. Under the package, we need a Java class. That is maybe missing. Also, we need a what? A Java class file. That has to be. The second one, upperkeys, lowerkeys issue, right? If you write like that, no, it's not gonna work. Let's run again. Let's run. Yes. And can you see the error message? But we are on system 1 first and then other one. Okay. You can write one. Yes. Can you see the error? Online people, can you see the error? Here is the error. Okay. Error 5,15. Java cannot find symbol. For instance, you got an error and you couldn't figure out. What would you do? Believe or not, even really experienced developers, they don't know all errors. Because sometimes you face an error for the first time, or maybe you faced with that error 5 years ago. Who knows? Okay?
It also gives the location of the error.
Yes, that's what I mean. It gives the location, I mean the line number also. Okay? 5,15. Okay? That's good. Who is doing that part? IDE, IntelliJ doing that part. And we installed what? JDK. We never used that, right? Because its mission is converting all those codes to the machine language. For any programming languages, okay, it doesn't matter it's Java, PHP, you need something to convert all those codes to the machine language. Okay, you need always that part. And you need one more thing, an editor to type your comments. Okay, it doesn't matter it's Java, Python, or others. For the Python, you have to install Python, and you need a Python editor. Okay, or PHP, it doesn't matter, or C#. You need those things all the time. Okay, chats run first. Anything? I cannot follow the Zoom chat.
Couple questions asking to run process again.
Okay, I will run again. Also, I will make mistakes on purpose again. I fixed that one. See, the color changed. Wow, that means that IDE has another feature. It is called code coloring. Okay, code coloring. That means it colors certain keywords for the certain colors. That's really helpful, right? Can you imagine all those codes under the notepad? Would you like to see it? There is a way to run Java codes like that, but it's longer, it's a lot of work, but it's not easy to write codes here. What about here?
That's why we use there.
Yes. What about here? Which one is better? Which one looks better? You can see the keywords. You can see errors. It helps you a lot. That's why we are using that kind of IDEs. Okay. And also, we don't have to care about compiling. What is compiling? The conversion part from commands to machine language. Okay. You are gonna get really familiar those terms by the time. Do not push yourself. Nobody learned at the first time. Okay. You are gonna hear again and again and again and again. Okay. Okay, we are gonna run one more time. Then I will delete semicolon on purpose. Okay, I will delete that part. And hello world, here is again. Okay, I will delete that part. We are good, right? Yes. And again, see, it helps me a lot. Can you see the error? 542, the location of the error. Well, what is 42? Can you guess?
For the second character?
Yes, for the second character, right?
So
The fifth line for the second character. That's great. And also Java expected what? Semicolon. That's awesome. What else do you want? Cookie? That's fine. Okay. And also, I would like to name that part. Okay, I will run again. Oh my. What happened? Because there is no main, okay?
It doesn't even give you option.
Yes. Because, do you remember the index.html thing? You have to name that part. Just think about the website. There are thousands pages, right? The server, how does it know which one is the first one? From where it's gonna start? Not exactly like that, but it's similar, okay? And I will explain those parts as well. And you are gonna able to do troubleshooting, okay? What is troubleshooting? Basically, you are shooting the troubles, okay? Sorry?
Fix the problem.
Fixing the problem, right? And it's going to be a part of your job, and finding the problem. Okay. Of course, those kind of problems you are not gonna see it. Why? Because your job is going to be trying to find logical errors or functional errors. Okay. Those are the syntax error and the runtimes error. Oh, what are those? You are gonna get familiar with those ones as well. Just think about it. Any sentences in English or any languages, they can be correct as a syntax, but as a meaning, they can be wrong, right? It is like that. Anyway, so what is our next mission? Let me show you. So far, everybody is good, right? One more question. Slow the run, please. One more time. Sure. Show the. I am getting tired also. Okay. Right click, run. And what we deleted or change the main, right? Right click, run. Now it is running perfectly. Okay. So we have a mission. We have one more mission for today. And for your information, hopefully maybe a week later, we are not gonna proceed like that. You are gonna get faster and faster. Okay. Maybe at the end of a week or 2 weeks, I will ask the question and I will give you some time to solve it, and you are gonna be able to.